Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can force the guest visitors to first log in to your Moodle site before they can access any content on your Moodle site. By default, as you can see on my screen, I am not logged into my Moodle site and I can see the course listing, and there might be some other content available on your home page, which is accessible to the guest visitors who are not logged into your Moodle site. Some of our clients asked us if we can restrict these courses as well as the other content on their homepage only to the logged in users for them. So I will just share that with you in this screencast. I will just switch back to my Moodle site where I have logged in another browser. And here you can see that now I'm logged into this Moodle site as an admin, and I will just go to the site admin tab here. And under the general section only, you need to scroll down a bit until you see the security section, and in front of this security sections you can click this site security settings link. Now on this page you can adjust the different security settings for your site, and the setting which we are right now interested is force users to log in. It is by default set to no, and this is what we are going to set to yes for this video. You can see the description below that normally the site home and the course listings, which means that the total number of courses or like the courses which are set as shown to the users will be available to the guest users without they have logged into the site. So by checking this box, we can restrict all the courses as well as the content on the site homepage to the users who are logged into our Moodle site. Now after checking this box, just go down and click the save changes button here. And now you can see that if I will go back to my Moodle site as a non-registered user, I will just click refresh and it will take me to the login page by default. So this is how you can also force your users to log in before they can access any content on your Moodle site. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. And if you would like to have a screencast on any topic, please don't hesitate to put the thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you. Have a great day.